to Learning and Fun Daily. Today we will be learning a little about the life of a butterfly. Share, like, and subscribe. Let's go on an adventure with a butterfly's life cycle. First, a female butterfly lays tiny eggs on plant leaves. The eggs can look different depending on the kind of butterfly. Then the eggs hatch and out comes a caterpillar. Caterpillars love to eat leaves and get bigger really fast. They have multiple body segments, 6 true legs near the front, and usually several pairs of tiny leg-like things along their belly. Then after eating a lot, the caterpillar gets ready to change. It makes a special shell called a chrysalis to protect itself. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. And then one day, a beautiful butterfly is here. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.